Welcome to Decobloom, the place where beautiful interiors come to life. If you have ever dreamed of walking into a tiny Parisian apartment and feeling completely swept away by warmth, elegance, and that unmistakable French soul, this video is entirely for you. Today we are touring stunning room ideas that prove luxury has absolutely nothing to do with size. The entryway is the first whisper of a home's personality, and in a Parisian apartment, that whisper should feel like a secret. A gilded mirror, a marble console, a single vase of white peonies, these are not decorations, they are intentions. In the smallest of spaces, one deliberate, beautiful gesture is always enough. Parisian living rooms are never loud, they seduce quietly. Soft Greige walls, a linen sofa, aged brass frames, and a Persian rug layered underfoot create a warmth that feels genuinely lived in. The golden hour lives permanently in this room, not because of the sunlight, but because of the way every surface, texture, and tone has been chosen with absolute intention. The Parisian kitchen is never purely functional, it is a stage for daily ritual and quiet beauty. Cream cabinetry with brass hardware, a marble backsplash, and herringbone oak floors transform even the most compact kitchen into something worth lingering in. Here, morning coffee becomes a ceremony, and every copper pot hanging overhead is both tool and art. A Parisian bedroom should feel like the world has been gently muted. A tufted blush velvet headboard, layers of silk and embroidered linen, a vintage lamp casting its amber warmth. This is a room that understands rest as a luxury in itself. Nothing here is accidental. Every texture, every curve, every shadow has been placed with care and romance. Before you add a single piece of furniture, the bones of a Parisian room are already doing the work. Crown molding, ceiling medallions, and raised wall paneling painted in moody putty gray create architecture that feels centuries old and entirely timeless. A curved sofa and an ornate fireplace mantel simply complete what the plaster began, a room that tells its own story. There is a particular magic to dining alone in Paris. The low chandelier, the marble table, the flicker of a candle. That same magic is entirely achievable in a tiny apartment. A cane bistro chair pulled close, a crystal glass catching warm light, a rose placed simply in a bud vase. This is the French art of transforming the ordinary into the exquisite. In Paris, bare walls are almost considered an act of neglect. The bedroom gallery wall is not about filling space, it is about revealing character. Impressionist prints, black and white photographs, and gilded botanicals arranged from floor to ceiling in mismatched frames create a room that feels like a portrait of its owner, layered, cultured, deeply personal, and entirely alive. The Parisians have always understood that books are not just for reading, they are for living with. Lining an entryway with slim shelves of French novels, marble busts, and flea market postcards turns a transitional corridor into a destination. A rattan chair, a warm pendant lamp, and the scent of aged paper make even the act of arriving home feel like a small, private joy. A true Parisian salon is arranged for people, not for photography. Two mismatched armchairs facing a curved settee, a coffee table layered with books and a marble tray, an antique floor lamp casting its golden circle of light. This is a room that invites you to sit, stay, and talk until midnight. Comfort and beauty here are never in competition. The French have a philosophy about dining rooms: invest in the light and let everything else follow. One extraordinary chandelier hung low and dramatically over a simple table does more for a room than any amount of furniture or decoration. White linen, bone china, a single candle, the restraint of every other element is precisely what makes the chandelier sing. Some Parisian kitchens come with the greatest luxury of all of view. Tall arched windows framing zinc rooftops and distant chimney pots are a ready-made artwork no interior designer can rival. The wisest response is to step aside, cream cabinetry, a brass chandelier, sheer linen curtains, and silence. Let the city outside be the most beautiful thing in the room. The Parisian apartment has always required creativity. A secretary desk tucked behind a bookcase, a daybed styled as a sofa, a vintage trunk repurposed as a coffee table. This is not compromise. It is ingenuity made elegant. When the palette holds cohesively in ecru and ivory, even the most hardworking room maintains its beauty at every hour of the day. The Parisian bathroom is never merely utilitarian. A clawfoot tub, a crystal chandelier, a gilded mirror above a pedestal sink, these are not extravagances, they are standards. Hexagonal tiles, a marble tray of crystal perfume bottles, monogrammed linen towels. Every detail is considered, every morning transformed into a ritual. Small in scale, boundless in feeling, this is bathing as a genuine pleasure. The French have adored Chinoiserie since the court of Versailles, and for good reason. Nothing creates a sense of depth and romance in a small space quite like hand-painted botanicals climbing a narrow wall. Paired with a lacquered console, porcelain lamps, and a bouquet of fresh white tulips, this entryway is the kind of space that makes guests pause before they have even fully arrived. Every Parisian bedroom deserves at least one corner devoted entirely to the quiet pleasure of reading. Floor-to-ceiling shelves, a worn leather armchair, a cashmere throw, a floral lamp casting its warm circle of golden light. This nook asks for no square footage it cannot justify with soul. It is the most personal corner of the apartment, and the one you will return to every single evening. And there you have it, ways to bring timeless Parisian luxury into even the smallest French apartment. From a gilded entryway to a maximalist dinner table, every corner of a Parisian home tells a story of warmth, beauty, and intention. If any of these ideas inspired you today, please give this video a like, subscribe to Decobloom for more interior inspiration, and drop your favorite room in the comments below. We read every single one.